Well, hello, and welcome back to yet another BOK Media Life video, the place where we show you how to take budget items from a variety of places and turn them into high-end home decor. Let's see what we're going to get into today. So for this DIY, the main star of the show is going to be a stencil, and I got this beautiful pack of stencils from Temu, and it's very art deco, right? These are really, really beautiful. I could have chosen any of these and it would have been a beautiful lamp, but I chose one that was perfect for the design that I'm going for. So in order to complete my design, I did need to buy 4 packs of stencils so that I could get 4 of the exact same design to be able to complete this lamp. And the awesome part about this particular design is that we are not going to use the stencil as a stencil. We are going to use the stencil itself. And you will see that I'm going to spray paint these all black. So the next item that we need for this DIY are some frames. Now I looked on Amazon and found a frame that's almost the exact size that I need. And they came in a 2-pack for about roughly $6. So I thought that was a good deal. So for our particular project, we are going to take out the back and also the acrylic sheet that is kind of taking the place of glass, but we are going to leave the tabs on. That's integral. So the next item that I'm going to whip out is one that I use very often when I am making DIY lamps, and that is these chopping mats from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to go ahead and use one of the acrylic sheets to help me trace out the exact shape of the cutting board that I need. So now that I have the 4 pieces of the chopping mat that I need, I'm going to go ahead and combine my stencil to the chopping mat and then cut off any excess so that I wind up with one complete panel. So now that I have my panels, I go ahead and slide them into the frames and then use the tabs to hold them securely in place. And I do this for all 4 of my frames. So now we're going to work on the base of our lamp, the place where our light fixture is actually going to sit. Now what I'm going to be using is one of these frames that I got in a pack of 3 from Dollar General, and I'm going to go ahead and break it down to just the frame and the hard cardboard back. So what you see here is the light fixture that we will be using. Now I got this in a pack of 6 from Amazon for about $25, and I love these. And you're gonna watch me put it on the cardboard piece, trace out where my cord is gonna go, and then I'm gonna give it a little chop chop so our cord has a place to sit. And then I'm going to connect the base of our light to that cardboard piece. And I'm gonna let you guys watch as it comes together. So this next part is entirely optional, but I did decide to go ahead and give that piece a coat of black paint, just so that when I looked down in my lamp, I saw black. That being said, I did not paint or cover the underside of my lamp, but you certainly could if that's something you'd like to do. So what you see me doing here is just going ahead and scoring my frame. And I do this whenever I am connecting two pieces that are smooth utilizing hot glue. It just helps me with adhesion. So this is another little hack that I did pick up from the Dollar Tree, and I love these dominoes, largely because they're made out of, I don't know if it's like a wood or an MDF, but they're perfect for how they're about to be used. I'm going to use them to help kind of brace that connection between my lamp and my frame. And wait, you guys will see me use these again in a creative way a little bit later on in the video. So I've got another cool item that I did pick up from Amazon, and that is these corner pieces. And I love using these for lamps, boxes, anything where there's a corner that I want to make ornate or keep together. And in this case, we're going to use this to keep the corners of our lamp together. And I'm going to go ahead and spray paint these black so that they match. So we're going to go ahead and add that cardboard piece with our light fixture to the rest of our lamp. And I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue around, and then it just drops right in place. So this is our second creative use with these Dollar Tree dominoes. And right now we're going to combine two of them to help us make our legs. And we're going to need 8 sets total. So we're going to go ahead and add our legs to the base, and it's just going to be one on each corner, and you guys will watch as it comes together. So again, I did not choose to do anything with the bottom part of this cardboard because you will not be able to see it once the lamp is seated, but if you wanted to do something, you certainly could. So before I even lit this lamp, I knew that I was going to love it. My favorite thing about doing DIYs is just letting my imagination flow and making cool things. It's not about perfection, it's about just hitting a mark that makes something really beautiful. Yes, to every last piece of this Art Deco inspired lamp. Let me know if you guys are loving it in the comments.